Are you looking to add privacy, security, or simply a new look to your property? With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, our skilled team brings expertise and precision to every project, no matter the size or style. From the initial consultation to the final installation, we work closely with you to design and build the perfect fence. Our process is tailored to ensure your vision comes to life with a focus on durability, aesthetics, and value. Using only the finest materials, our fences are built to stand the test of time, providing security and beauty for years to come. Whether you're looking for classic wood, low-maintenance vinyl, or sturdy metal, we've got you covered. We pride ourselves on our attention to detail and customer satisfaction. Our job isn't done until you're completely happy with the result. At Fine Fencing, we offer a wide range of fencing options to suit your specific needs. Whether it's enhancing your home's curb appeal or securing your business, we provide solutions that are both functional and beautiful. Ready to transform your property with a fence that blends security and style? Contact us today at www.fencing.tel for a free consultation and let us build the fence you've always wanted.
This is a sample video which can be customized to suit your business. Learn more at onlinebillboards.com.